Okay, now I don't know if you remember from one of the last videos, this machine had a massive leak and it dumped fluid all in my driveway, which I have mostly pressure washed and cleaned off. I've just got this section here, which once I get all this stuff out of the way, then I'll hit it too. Anyhow, I found the leak. It was a hose, comes off of this, goes under the motor and goes up to that 45. I wasn't going to bore y'all with all of this stuff. I had to take out the centerpiece, the little step here, and the seat. And then also the whole right hand control, all of this. And by not showing that, I saved y'all listening to me cuss a bunch. So anyways, I may record going back in with it. Hopefully it'll be a little less cussing, but anyhow, for right now we're going to try to get this line on there and get it started, get it tightened up, and possibly go ahead and fill the machine back up with oil, hydraulic oil, and start it and make sure we don't have any other leaks. If it'll start without this, it should, but that's only if the battery's hot too. And y'all can kind of see what's going on. Battery is charging. These machines where there ain't no room to work. Why is there a piece of freaking baling wire in there? Kneecap. See what I did, but I had to loosen this 90 right here to where I could get that to turn the way I needed to get it started. Sometimes you got to take stuff loose to put stuff back together. know, should be using a combination wrench on these, but I don't know where it's at, and I'm not going to dig to the shop. I'm ready to get this thing back together. Okay. Alright. Here's my rag. I'm going to show you all this. This is a handy little trick. If you can see the angle that's at, it's going to be kind of a pain to get a big funnel on there. But if you'll notice, that's notched, and that pin just goes through there. So what we'll be able to do is lift it up, slide it out, and set it down out of the way. Now we can get our oil in there. Alright, try to crank it again. I went ahead and plugged this back in for the joystick. I don't know if it matters or not. Why is this thing not getting fuel? Okay, so our starter or fuel shot solenoid ain't working. Now why is that doing that? Now it should start. I might have to run another wire to that. Yay, no hydraulic fluid going anywhere. Get back up there. Now we got the bucket down low enough we can pour it with the spout on the bottom. It's probably still going to gurgle a little, but it'll be alright. You just don't want to fill these too much because when the fluid expands, or when it gets hot it expands, and you'll have a big mess when it boils it all over. Just a little more and we're going to call it good. So what it does is, it's hard to see with the sun shining on it, but oil level is between this indentation and that indentation. And right now we're right in here. So we're about an inch into it. As it gets hot and you run it, it's probably going to go all the way to here. As you can see, it don't have much further to go and it's going to blow it right out the neck. So we're going to call that good, and we're also going to call this video good. I've got it running. The leak is fixed. The hydraulic hose has been replaced. I got to put all this back together, but if y'all want to see that, let me know. I may record it, but I'm not going to post it on this video because it's not fun. But I think our biggest issue now is going to be the ignition switch, because sometimes it starts, sometimes it don't. Let's see. Like if you take the key out, put it in, there's no rhyme or reason as to when it starts and when it don't. So we're going to change the ignition out. We'll just put a universal one in it and call it good. So that being said, guys, I hope you liked the video. If there's something else you want to see on this machine, let me know. This is a little smaller than mine. I don't know how many horsepower it is, 40 something, maybe 50 horsepower, I don't know. Got the little Subaru diesel engine in it that's actually like what they put in that little Ford I've got out there in the field, the little blue and white 1100. It has a little 2-cylinder Subaru. This has got a 4-cylinder. And then my New Holland has the actual, I guess it's the Ford or New Holland, the big 3-cylinder. And it's 82 horsepower. But anyhow, if you get time, go check out my other videos. Like, subscribe, and share. Leave me a comment, and we're going to do another video on this engine here soon, an unboxing, and I'll leave the link to this engine. I want to say it was like 319 bucks, and of course I got the XPE for electric start. I could have got the XP16 HP with just a recoil start for like $200 and something. So for an extra $100, I got electric start, which is what I need for that little Bobcat over there, and that's going to be the perfect engine for that little machine. So we'll catch y'all on the next one later.